Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the MomCozzy bottle warmer, plug it in, and confirm the LED shows ready. First, pour 60 to 120 ml of water into the heating chamber. This amount controls gentle steam, so adjust for bottle size. Next, place the bottle upright with nipple removed to equalize pressure. Then, choose the temperature or cycle button for formula or breast milk. Press once to start. Once heating begins, monitor the display. You want even warming, not hot spots, so once the warmer runs, use the cycle settings to match contents, milk, baby food, or defrost, because each uses different time and heat profiles. During a milk cycle, pause at the midpoint, lift the lid and swirl the bottle gently to dissipate any hot spot, then resume. If you see a low water icon or error tone, stop and refill the chamber with the specified amount, then restart the cycle. You do this to protect nutrients and avoid overheating, ensuring a safe, consistent feed temperature. When the cycle ends, remove the bottle carefully. Test one drop on your wrist to confirm about 37 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 2 degrees. This prevents burns. After serving, unplug, empty remaining water, and air dry the chamber to prevent odor. For routine care, descale weekly with a 1:1 vinegar solution, rinse thoroughly, and wipe seals. If the warmer won't heat, make sure power is connected, water level meets minimum, and press any reset. If problems persist, contact support to avoid unsafe repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.